have an annual report for us on solid waste?
That's what I thought.
No. The only thing that I do want everyone to keep in their mind is I think last week we had visitors from the nuclear plant, and it is their desire, their plan to start construction sometime in 2017. The first, I think, department of the city is going to be affected is going to be the solid waste department, collections and landfill. It will certainly compress the need to probably start construction on a new sale sooner than we had anticipated before the forthcoming construction of Bellefonte. It's also going to bring construction, we feel, to the city at a faster rate than what we're growing now, which is going to have us make it necessary for us to have to purchase more trucks sooner than we anticipated. Also roll-off containers and 4.8-yard garbage containers. So the need is there, and it's going to be coming a lot faster than what we thought to do this. Back in the 70s, for those of you who remember that far back, when you bring 5,000 and 6,000 people into this area, it gets crowded here, and there's a lot of growth. I'm certainly anticipating, I think the city does too, there's going to be a lot of growth coming, and it's certainly going to affect our department first. It's going to affect eventually all departments, but it's going to affect garbage first. So I just want